you if I can provoke, then it means that I'm doing something right. Because I think art should provoke people to think.
If something is 100% of cotton, we can recycle it, and if it's 100% wool, we can recycle it. But when we have the mix, like elastan, cotton, polyester, then it's just trash.
Even though it's not like vegan, it's still like it can last for so long.
Welcome to the workshop with Alexi and me. Already now, see, there's a rain stick here. We have some paper that can be used for something. First we have to look at the movie, and then we will do all the sounds for it afterwards, and then I record it. And there's no sound, we have to imagine. And then we have to make it. There's also this one.
And everything is in there. Let me check. Anyone who speaks the language will tell you how something like that?
Yeah.
Thank you. Basically, it goes on like that.
And then we're gonna make you run 10 meters.
Oh no no!
Contrast. There we have it. Contrast in the background. Like you can't see the change.
You just have to start writing quotes.
Yeah, something like this. But her face should like be seen.
Oh.
I'm just getting stupid.